While you guys are out of the hospital, yep, it's been like a complete pain. However, we survived from that beast attack. Oh yeah, I remember the bee attack. Also, remember that bee attack you did? Yes. That, well, we don't know what to say for it. Oh, okay. Alright, you guys. I'll meet you, see you later. Well, I stop right there. What's going on? Nothing. We're not trying to do something bad to you. Oh, okay. Look, Toad, do you even know what we're trying to say? No, I don't know what you're trying to say. Try to guess. Oh, oh, maybe you're trying to, let me go for the day and forget what happened? Nope. Not even close. Oh, well, what were you trying to tell me anyway? What are you trying to say? Well, we can obviously put in a few words. And what words are those? Well... What were you thinking of, Toad? Look, guys, I'm so sorry for what I did. I promise I won't do it again. Well, your apology is unaccepted. So, that won't stop us from giving you a punishment day. No, not punishment day. I'm sorry. I don't want a punishment day. Well, 2 words. Too bad. Now let's get the road started. First punishment, watching Toad gets grounded. No, not those videos. Yes, those videos. Now watch it or else you will get additional punishments. A few moments later. That was cringeworthy. Do you think we care? Yes? No! Next punishment, beating you up. Uh-oh. So painful. Too bad, and we don't care. Next punishment, watching Dora the Explorer. No, not that trashy show. Yes, that trashy show. Now watch it this instant, or else more punishments will be added. After a few episodes, pain and cringeworthy. I don't care. Next punishment, let bees attack you. What? That's right. Ow, 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 ow. So painful, painful. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, how did I did not get stung? Well, we decided to not give you any injuries in this punishment day. Now for your last punishment. I will scream in your ear. Yikes! Now go straight to bed. Also, we will delete your Google account. Hopefully, this never happens again. Well, I hope so.